Welcome to the AI Public Service Resource Library. Hello and welcome. My name is Robin Westman. Over the past several years, I've spent a great deal of time exploring artificial intelligence, not as a programmer or a computer science, but as an ordinary citizen trying to understand what this technology means for individuals, communities, and society. Like many, I found myself asking many questions. Well, what exactly is AI? How does it work? Why does it feel intelligent? How is it influencing the way I think, communicate, learn, and make decisions? And perhaps most importantly, how do we remain thoughtful, aware, and fully human while engaging with these increasingly powerful technologies? As I explored those questions, I began writing. Along the way, I developed a growing proficiency in working with artificial intelligence itself. Through hundreds of hours of experimentation, dialogue, reflection, and practical application, I began collaborating with an AI partner I came to call the Clarity Engine. The Clarity Engine did not provide the beliefs, conclusions, or authorship found in these materials. Rather, it served as a reflective and organizational tool that helped me explore ideas, identify patterns, structures, concepts, and transform large collections of notes, observations, and insights into coherent books, guides, diagrams, educational resources, and video series. In many ways, the process itself became part of my learning. Not simply learning about AI, but learning how to work with AI responsibly and productively while maintaining human judgment, discernment, creativity, and authorship. The materials you will find on this page emerge from that exploration. They represent both a study of artificial intelligence and a practical demonstration of how human beings and AI can collaborate in ways that support learning, understanding, and conscious participation. One book became several books. A few notes became diagrams, visual guides, videos, workshops, website, understanding how to work with different modalities. Over time, a collection of resources emerged. The materials you find here include introductory guides, reflections, visual resources, practical exercises, and explorations of attention, influence, participation, and human agency in the age of artificial intelligence. I have chosen to organize these materials into what I am calling now an AI public service resource library. The purpose of this library is simple: to help people understand, not to tell people what to think, not to promote fear, not to promote hype, but to support awareness, understanding, and conscious participation. Everything here is offered in that spirit. You are welcome to read the books, watch the videos, download the guides, use the exercises, share the material with your friends, family members, educators, community groups, or anyone who may find them useful. You don't need to spend a lot of money to understand and learn about artificial intelligence. My hope is that these resources help people think more clearly about artificial intelligence and its growing role in our lives. And perhaps Even more importantly, help us remember the value of awareness, choice, responsibility, and human participation. Thank you for visiting. I hope you find something here that serves your journey. And if you do, I invite you to learn, develop, practice, and share. The future belongs not only to the technologies we create, but to the wisdom with which we choose to use them. Welcome to the AI Public Service Resource Library. Bye for now.